Firstly, to be very briefly introduce our company, MGSolutions was founded in 2017. So we are relatively a young company with very able people working for. Since our foundation in 2017, we have been investing lots of efforts into AI-based 3D posture scanning system, which is Moti Physio. So throughout our journey, Moti Physio has been loved by 69 countries around the world, and we are pretty confident that our Moti Physio will be more and more loved by more than 100 countries in the end. Today, I feel very comfortable due to your hospitality, due to Welly Tech's hospitality in total. I believe that it was such a professional action for Welly Tech to arrange and prepare for this kind of event to newly to be partner, which is MGSolutions. So I really do appreciate on behalf of MGSolutions. Thank you very much. As much as MGSolutions shall strive our best to support MG Tech, so I'm pretty sure that MG Tech, all the members of MG Tech shall also strive their best. So let's make a history. Let's do it.